Okay, quick market update. It's all about the macro this week, macroeconomics, namely led by Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve. We're going to see if they're going to cut rates by a quarter basis point or 0.5 basis points. It's all about expectation management from here on out. No matter what, nobody's getting wealthy this week. Somebody's going to be disappointed. Half the crowd wants half a basis point. The other half of the crowd wants a quarter basis point. I expect short-term extreme volatility. Jerome Powell's rhetoric has never been more important. If we get a quarter basis point and a dovish tone, that means soft landing narrative and markets will soar. If we get half a basis point, markets will probably soar short term and then go, holy cow, he knows something we don't know. What's broken? I'm out of here. So how do we play this? Well, you don't, first and foremost. You just chill. I'm not doing anything drastic. I've accumulated. I have dry gunpowder capital on the sidelines, and I'm going to wait until the announcement on Wednesday before I make any additional accumulation moves. I want to see what Bitcoin dominance does, and I'm keeping a hawkeye on the dollar, the DXY. If the DXY breaks down below that $99.6 mark, then risk-on assets are about to have a heyday. If not, we're in for volatility, downward price action, and we'll have to live to fight another day. Either way, massive opportunity ahead for anyone who's either been in the crypto market or is just now trying to get in. Maybe you feel like you've missed the boat. Maybe you feel like you've missed the bus. That's not true. I think there's actually going to be a lot of opportunities even this week to accumulate some fantastic cryptocurrencies. But as always, you need to make sure you have a plan. So here's a few tips that I think could help you if you're brand new to crypto or if you're a seasoned veteran, but maybe you haven't made that life-altering money yet. Number one, start with the end in mind. I know it sounds woo-woo, it sounds soft, it sounds wishy-washy, but set a goal. What do you want to do? What's your number? Where do you want to be in the next 6 to 12 months? Have an idea of what you're wanting to achieve, or else you won't reverse engineer and do what you got to do to get there. Number two, don't treat crypto like a slot machine. Don't gamble. It's not a bingo card. It's not a lottery ticket. Have an allocation strategy. Large cap, mid cap, small cap, low cap, all of that needs to go into your calculus. And if you have a set amount of money that you want to put into the market, you don't have to dump it all in the market all at once. You're not at this like hurry up, house is on fire, you're going to miss the bus moment, but you almost are. But for those of you who are getting in the market now, it's kind of like you're jumping to the front of the line. A lot of people have ridden the waves of the bear market and the pre-bull market, and they have seen gains, and now they've been in a big, long, ugly correction for the last 6 months, and you're just kind of stepping in line and taking advantage of what the market's about to give us. Lastly, I would stay away from leverage trading for now. It's a really, really choppy season, and choppy seasons for new leverage trading, or new leverage traders, that is a recipe for disaster, margin calls, liquidations, all the nasty stuff that a lot of the marketers won't tell you about. So just think about being a position investor. Think about starting and accumulating around a high conviction investment and allowing the market to do the work. Lastly, the chief of all virtues is patience. It's the hardest discipline. If it was easy, everyone on TikTok, YouTube, you name it, would be crypto wealthy already. But those who are the most patient, those who are willing to see the market through its manipulation and its antics and its emotional volatility, those who have conviction, a plan, a strategy, they're the ones who are walking away with all the exit liquidity. Now, if you're still watching this and you don't want to be the exit liquidity for all the smart money, but you'd rather be the smart money walking away with that life-changing experience in the cryptocurrency market that you hear people talking about on social media all the time, then maybe check out my 13-minute overview. It's a case study. It's a video. It's free to watch. It's only 13 minutes. And if you're willing to invest 13 minutes in yourself, then I think you might actually be willing to take the first step towards crypto investing success. So go to cryptoyall.co. That's cryptoyall.co and watch the 13-minute overview video. And if you like this video, repost it, share it, send it to a friend, maybe the water cooler buddy or the neighbor or the cousin or whoever that you think is crypto curious and could maybe stand some authentic, down-to-earth crypto commentary. Also, when you watch that 13-minute overview, and if you like what you see, schedule a one-on-one call with me. We'll talk about your strategy. We'll see if it's a good fit for you, and we'll go from there. CryptoYall.co, like and follow for more.